In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a vertical menu in Wix Editor using the Chrome browser. Let's get started, ensuring that we enhance your site's navigation in a few simple steps. First, make sure you have Chrome open and navigate to your Wix website's editor. Starting in Chrome ensures compatibility and provides the most streamlined experience. Once you've reached the Wix editor, you're ready to start enhancing your site's look and feel. Begin by looking towards the left-hand side of your editor's screen. There you'll find an Add button, a central feature for bringing new elements to your site. With a single click on Add, you'll be presented with a variety of options, indicating the vast customization available to you. Now let's focus on adding the menu. Within this Add section, scroll through the options and select Menu. This is where you'll see different menu styles that Wix offers. Since we're focusing on a vertical menu today, choose a vertical menu style that best fits your website's aesthetic and layout. Don't worry if you're unsure at this stage. Part of the creative process is experimenting with different looks. Once you've picked a vertical menu style, drag it to the side of your page where you'd like it to appear. Placing the menu on the side is not only visually appealing, but it also provides easy navigation for your site visitors, ensuring they can move throughout your content effortlessly. Next, we move on to customization, which is key to maintaining your website's unique brand identity. You can adjust the fonts, colors, and links to fit your brand style. To do this, click on the menu to bring up customization options. Consider your brand's color palette when adjusting colors, ensuring that all elements on your site remain cohesive. For fonts, choose styles that are easily readable and reflect your site's overall design. When you update your links, ensure that they clearly denote the pages or sections they lead to, which enhances user experience. Having completed these customizations, it's crucial to lock in your hard work. Head over to the top of the editor to find the Save button. By clicking Save, your changes are secured within the editor. However, to make them visible to your site visitors, you must also publish these changes. Click Publish, and just like that, your new vertical menu will be live on your website. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to add a functional and stylish vertical menu to your Wix site using Chrome. This valuable addition not only enhances navigation, but also elevates the overall user experience. Remember, the key to a professional-looking website lies in these thoughtful details. Thanks for watching, and happy website crafting!